Once upon a time, in a small town named Blossomville, lived a friendly giant named Dr. Doom. He was not the scary Dr. Doom from the comics. He was just a kind-hearted doctor who helped animals with his magical stethoscope. One sunny morning, Dr. Doom heard a tiny meow coming from a bush. He found a small, lost kitten, crying and alone. He picked up the kitten gently, and it instantly purred in his arms. "Oh, my little friend, I'll take care of you," said Dr. Doom, smiling warmly. He named the kitten Whiskers and took her home to his cozy treehouse. Dr. Doom made Whiskers a comfortable bed, filled with soft blankets and warm pillows. He even cooked her a delicious meal of fish and milk. Whiskers was grateful and snuggled up, feeling safe and loved. The next few days were filled with laughter and playful chases. Dr. Doom would examine Whiskers every day, making sure she was healthy and happy. Whiskers loved the attention and the care she received from her new friend. One day, a group of lost animals came to Dr. Doom's treehouse. A baby bird with a broken wing, a family of squirrels with a shrunken acorn, and a family of rabbits with a sick mother. Dr. Doom welcomed them with open arms and took care of them just like he did Whiskers. Word spread about Dr. Doom's kindness, and soon, animals from all over Blossomville started visiting him. He became known as the friend of animals in Blossomville. One night, as Dr. Doom was putting Whiskers to bed, he heard a knock on his door. It was a small, scared rabbit, with a worried look on its face. Dr. Doom opened the door and welcomed the rabbit inside. "I have a sick mother," the rabbit said, its voice trembling. "Can you help her?" Dr. Doom nodded, picked up his magical stethoscope and said, "Of course, I'll be there as soon as possible." With a grateful hug, the rabbit ran away. Dr. Doom quickly gathered his things and rushed to help the sick rabbit. He used his magical stethoscope to heal the mother rabbit, and the family was overjoyed and grateful. Dr. Doom returned to his treehouse, tired but happy. He looked at Whiskers, sleeping peacefully, and smiled. "You've brought so much joy to my life, little one," he said, stroking her fur. From that day forward, Dr. Doom continued to help animals in need. He became a beloved figure in Blossomville, always there to lend a helping hand. And Whiskers, his little companion, grew up to be a friendly and playful cat, always by Dr. Doom's side. The end.